Miracle on the Hudson aircraft was originally stored at the Carolinas Aviation Museum, which closed in 2019. After the museum underwent a 5-year reimagining project, on June 1, 2024, it reopened as the Sullenburger Aviation Museum, located at the airport in Charlotte, North Carolina. After colliding with a flock of geese, the crippled plane came to within 900 feet of the top of the George Washington Bridge. The left engine shown here was torn off during the impact. The time from the bird strike to the ditching was less than 4 minutes. The aft end of the fuselage suffered severe damage, including a rupture that allowed water to enter the aircraft. The damage to the upper part of the fuselage was caused by the rescue watercraft. The lower fuselage damage was caused by the impact with the water. Two days after the incident, the severely damaged and waterlogged plane was pulled from the water on January 17th. All 155 passengers and crew survived.